In this video, I'm going to show you how to recognize common crypto scams and protect yourself from getting hacked online. Hey there, if you're like most people, you're probably wondering how to stay safe when investing in cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of scams out there, but with the right information, you can avoid them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recognize common crypto scams and protect yourself from getting hacked online. So sit down, buckle up, and let's get started. While cryptocurrencies have a lot of benefits, users must be knowledgeable about and avoid various types of crypto fraud employed by bad actors. Please be advised that this video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to explain crypto-related frauds. 3 common crypto scams to watch for. Despite the fact that online fraudsters are known for trying new methods and coming up with innovative ways to connect with vulnerable people, the scams themselves usually follow a similar structure intended to exploit a person's naivete and emotions. It's helpful to adopt a cautious mindset when it comes to giveaways, tech support impersonations, and investment scams that plague the community. Giveaway scams. On the internet, giveaway scams are prevalent, as fraudsters deceive unsuspecting people with the promise of free money. These ploys frequently entice victims to make cryptocurrency payments in return for a guarantee of double or triple their original amount. Unfortunately, because many crypto transactions are quick and irreversible, bad actors have opportunities to steal the money and disappear. While there are many ways to carry out a giveaway scam, scammers often find success by impersonating trusted individuals and celebrities to increase their reach and influence. Some scammers will even go the extra mile to secure or hack a verified Twitter account to feign legitimacy. Others will carefully craft profiles that are nearly identical to the original account. YouTube scammers will even repurpose footage of celebrities as a live stream and promote their giveaway scam in the description. If you send Bitcoin to a stranger, you lose your right to it the second it leaves your wallet. So avoid engaging with anyone who promises you future worth in exchange. If you come across an offering scam, please do the right thing and report the fraudulent account in-app so that others are not taken advantage of. Technical support scams. Fraudsters also impersonate as the platform's customer support staff. A popular approach is to claim that the victim's computer or account has been hacked. Scammers will then offer to repair the non-existent problem after the victim confirms their account information with their username and password, inspiring fear. These sorts of scams are particularly hazardous since the entire account balance. Technical support schemes are often conducted as part of a phishing campaign, so malicious actors will seek to actively replicate the services that our platform normally provides. Protecting yourself against this fraud requires a proper cybersecurity mindset. Verify every digital correspondence to ensure the sender isn't fraudulent. Never give remote access to your PC to any individual. Always use two-factor authentication when setting up your account. And never share these codes with any individual. Never give out personal account details in any digital correspondence. If you ever receive an email claiming there is an issue with your account, check your service's social media and/or reach out to the official customer support channel listed on the platform's website to confirm whether the cause for concern is legitimate. Get-rich-quick scams. Get-rich-quick scams, like those seen in the film The Wolf of Wall Street, prey on people's optimism and greed by stealing from honest bystanders. There are numerous ways to do this technique, which have been tested and optimized in conventional finance long before the crypto space existed. Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes in crypto operate no differently than they do in traditional markets. Scammers promise immense returns on investment, then use the next round of investments at a higher valuation to pay off the previous set of investors. Unfortunately, crypto investors are eager to pile into a space where investment scenarios with sky-high returns happen legitimately from time to time. If anyone claims to offer such returns, perform your own research or reach out to your financial advisor or attorney for advice. Eco-investment frauds are difficult to spot since the market is based on financing early-stage blockchain businesses. Every guarantee of 10, 20, or 100x profits should be met with skepticism. Nobody has a good idea about what an asset will be worth in 24 hours, much less the following week. Anyone looking to take part early in a coin offering should research the founders, company history, and feasibility of the project before putting any money in. Even if the price of a project increases in a short period, be wary of pump and dump schemes. where the cryptocurrency in question is artificially inflated and then sold off en masse, while retail buyers are still engaged in the chase upward movement. In conclusion, with internet frauds, keep this in mind. If something appears too good to be true, it usually is. The best method of defending oneself against scammers is to have knowledge. Learn about the red flags associated with different scams, and report any fraudulent activity to the platform where it occurred. When you come across something that seems too good to be true, take a step back and do your research. There are many ways to spot a scam, and being aware of the most common techniques can help you protect yourself and your money. Share your thoughts and subscribe for more content and notifications.